What's up, nerds? Cap here. So I'm thinking today for the first vlog, what I'm going to do is actually just like a POV of a shoot I have today. Kind of one of those controversial ones, you know. I'm shooting the new G80 M3. So it's kind of weird. I thought that, you know, I wouldn't like it at first. When I first saw it come out, I thought that big grill was hideous, you know, but starting to grow on me. It was just like the A90 Supras, you know what I mean? The new Supras came out, and I was like, dude, what the f is this? You know, purist, Supra, blah. Everybody's freaking out, but hey, these new M's are kind of good looking, you know what I mean? So stay tuned. You know, we'll cut here to the shoot. See you guys there. Messy ass garage. We've done some passenger side actually. So yeah, as I was saying back in the office, shooting one of the newer M3s, you know, with the big old grill that everybody, you know, doesn't know how they feel about yet. A lot of people hate it. Like I said, it's really starting. It's one of those front ends that's starting to grow on me. I think the rear end of that car looks amazing. That's the thing though, is what a lot of people don't realize is as an automotive brand, you have to sometimes step out of your comfort zone. You have to get away from, you know, the same exact styling, you know what I mean? Like you can't consistently build the same exact car over and over and over and over and over again and just, I mean, give it updated parts. It's, you know, it's good of them to start something new, but you know, it's definitely different, I could say that much, but they grow on me, you know. So yeah, we're headed out to Tyson's Corner, trying to get some like cityscape kind of shots. Kind of sucks. We booked this shoot for today, or we scheduled the shoot for today, and I didn't check the weather before I talked to this guy about when we're shooting. So apparently it's supposed to be rainy and gloomy all day, which I personally love a gloomier kind of style to a look. The cloud cover definitely, you know, makes shooting, you know, shooting cars easier and whatnot, but you know, it's pretty dark already. Like it's only 5. I think sunset's at 6:45, and it's starting to rain. So I hope it doesn't get too shitty by the time I get over there. But you know, we'll make it work. The forecast says some shit about you know, a thunderstorm, but hopefully it's not too bad. I mean, if we have to shoot inside the parking garage, that's fine. We'll make some shit happen, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Alright, it is a normal video. Sweet. Alright, so I'm thinking this is the spot we're shooting at over here. I'm thinking for this area, realistically being like the city safe, I'm going to do a lot of 35. At least I'm going to start out with 35, and then we'll see how it goes. I might bust out the 28. I don't know if there's a spot to do some wide angle. I usually use the 28 for like more of my my detail shots, kind of. But yep, get the 35 on. It's starting to slightly piss, but it's nothing, you know, that's not 100% manageable. I mean, I've shot in definitely worse conditions, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so this is the second location. It's pretty overused. A lot of dudes shoot here, but instead of getting the normal angle right here, which everybody else gets, I actually want to pull him up over on that side to try and get. I feel like the gray of his car and the gray over there mixed in with a little bit of those greens to kind of pop. Only thing I'm worried about is those no parking signs. Those kind of might get annoying over there, but I mean, hey, we'll make it work. We'll see what happens. You know, I'm just hoping that security guard doesn't come over here and you know, give me too much of a hassle, because usually when I come over here, he comes over and starts throwing a fit. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, I'll update you guys when he gets here.
So
Yeah.
Is it at the Galleria, like, because I was on International Drive. That's the road that I took to get here.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming up to the Galleria right now.
Let's see. I'm FaceTiming you real quick.
Okay.
Just to show you.
All right. So I am, like, I saw you come down this road, and then you should have gone this way, right?
I think so. Let's see.
So, like, I'm standing on Galleria Drive right now.
Okay, fair. I'm driving that way. If you're right next to the Galleria, I should see you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm literally, like, right there's the sign for Tyson's Galleria.
Okay. Basically, if you see a G80, let me know.
Yes. But yeah, so like there's Tyson's Boulevard right there, and then I saw you drive this way down it.
So I'm on International. This is International Drive right here.
Okay, I see the sign for International Drive, that light at International.
Yeah, so I can turn it into the Galleria itself. Like basically right there. But you see where I'm at? Like, I'm trying to get.
Kind of. There's International.
Oh yeah. Here, there's some crackles and pops here.
BMW stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Pops
exactly.
and bangs.
Okay, so I think, right by where you're supposed to be at. Parking garage is.
Yeah, these parking garages are huge. I'm by like where the Tesla charging station is, if that helps at all.
Okay. I'm gonna try to look like that. This fucking mall is so.
Dude, it's ridiculously, it's massive.
I'm gonna go down to the lower level because I think.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm on the bottom floor. If you want to come down here, we should. It's big, but it ain't that big, you know. Cause yeah, I am right by whatever the that says. I think I hear you.
Okay, yeah.
There you are. All right, cool. I'm your left.
Okay.
Sweet. All right. Well, that was a pain in the ass and a half. 100% this is going on the vlog. Okay. Oh man. Oh. Yeah, they're definitely not kidding about these bucket seats. Okay. Oh, that's why. Got it. Cool. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it running just in case he comes out and starts complaining. So I hit 8 years in August.
8 years?
Yeah, dude, it's been one hell of a time, but definitely, you know, definitely worth it.
Are you planning on staying in the 20?
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stay in the 20. We'll see. I mean, I just had a daughter couple months ago, so me and the wife, you got to make that decision together. But you know, I mean, it's definitely something I've been thinking about for sure. I'm just ready to get out of Virginia, you know what I mean? Because I was stationed in Germany before here, man. So like I go from Vilseck. Yeah. So I went from like, you know, super nice area to I mean, Virginia's not bad. Virginia's not bad whatsoever.
You're at Bobo?
I'm at what's it called? Meyer. So Old Guard. Yeah, but I mean, yeah. Graf's definitely nice. I mean, dude, it's compared to. So that's the thing, is like I never went to Ramstein.
Okay.
So like, as far as. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And I was there for like a month, and then I went back in like 2 months after that for rap, and I was there for like 2 months.
Yeah. Jesus. I'd go back. I mean, my wife is no, she's German.
Oh, nice.
So my wife's from Regensburg. So that's the goal, is to try and get back out there.
Yeah.
But I mean, we'll see how it goes. It's definitely something we want to do, but all right. So now what I want to do, I mean, these bushes over here already kind of have like my color in them, so that's gonna be sick. But I'm gonna pull them up right here, and then we're gonna get some shots. All right. So this one. Oh yeah, this is gonna look good. Dude, this is gonna look good. It's like the color of your car with the, dude, like this is gonna look good. Oh, I'm sitting there, I was like, is my camera broken? Like, did I get it too wet? The lens cap's off? I promise, I've been doing this professionally for a little bit, right? I swear. No, hold on, autofocus. Not autofocus, need to be on manual focus. Let's go medium. All right. I just hate these no parking signs. Like, I'll park here if I want to, okay? Like, don't tell me how to live my life. Try to get real low and... No, yeah, so then like you still have that aesthetic of like a rainy day shoot, you know what I mean? But not like the... Dude, it does. That's why I was like, as soon as I saw, because my phone when I was at work, apparently Fort Myers is nothing with thunderstorms right now. So I saw that, you know, there's gonna thunderstorm one day. I was like, ah, shit, I hope it doesn't cancel, man. But yeah, dude. Yeah. Dude. Yeah. But I mean, I wasn't complaining because I hadn't done staff duty before that in like 2 months. You know what I mean? Don't cause an issue. Thank you. Oh, she did not look happy about us being here. Sucks to suck. There we go. Nice and low on this one. I will say though, the thing does sound good. It sounds real good. So I'm actually gonna pull them up right over here in this corner, kind of get it like catty corner to the side of this building right here. Probably pull them over there, get some over here. I don't know, make them do a backflip. I don't know, I kind of wing a lot of these shoots, but I feel like, you know, the reflections and shit's gonna look sick. All right. So I'm gonna have you back in to the apex right there, like where these two corners meet. I'm just gonna have you back straight into that apex.
I wish I had that.
Really? Dude, look up Z Performance. It's a brand. Z Performance. So it's a brand that's out of Austria, I'm pretty sure, somewhere in Europe. I have such bad ADD. I have to like sit there and think, all right, picture, now talk, picture, now talk. All right, but yeah, so there's a lot of spots around here that have been just ran through, you know what I mean? Because there's 1,000 different photographers. Like I actually got this spot from a buddy of mine. Yeah, he was the one that like I saw his set over here, and but yeah, everybody, and they're still using it. It's like, bro, like. Yeah.
He's like 16, I think.
Yeah.
And we went to the underpass and everything. But like, I don't know. It's just like everybody posts pictures under there, and I'm like,
Woo. Dude, it's amazing. All right, well, hopefully this focuses and everything, but yeah, so definitely need to get a bigger SD card, 100%. That car was beautiful, like gorgeous car. Oh, I'm always calling. Anyways, yeah, I'm so stoked. But yeah, we'll cut back, and I'll see you guys once we get back to the office. Get some of this shit edited, you know. All right, what's up, guys? So, yeah, like I said, it's a few days later now. Pretty sure we ended off where my GoPro died midway, or didn't die. The memory card was full, and I'm stupid and didn't realize I had another memory card in my camera bag the entire time, so kind of botched that one. But yeah, got the pictures edited up. You know, if you guys like these kind of videos, the POV, you follow me along in my shoots, let me know. You know, like leave a comment and a like. I think that's what YouTubers say, right? Right, babe? Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's in there listening. I knew it. But yeah, so drop a comment down below, leave a like, maybe subscribe, you know. Just let me know, and then we'll see you guys on the next one.